Thinking about my nigga in the past. How my nigga went off to school who met a bitch with a daughter that made him laugh. How he had a whole little family. Man, that shit was too much. No regrets. That shit made me tough. What's understood don't need to be explained. Big head made my dad, and I swear to God, for the minute I felt no pain. But everything isn't what it seemed. He had too many friends. He probably telling you the same shit he telling me. But now I'm that girl your mom warned you about. Y'all didn't turn me into that chick your mom warned you about. You know that one that think like a man, play them games, text all your friends, eat all your food, take all your money, and still man surrender out with your heart? Nah, y'all look, I don't like to play all them games. I'm not Vivica A. Fox, I don't like them get even games. Cause I got my own shit, good friends, good vibes, and to put the icing on top, I got the man I pray to God about. Because I love me some me, ain't got time for you. I'm not selling for nothing I don't deserve. I'm not your average chick, boy. I'm gone.